Guys, you should definitely try this. Yellow rice with the omelette and the Sri Lankan spicy. It's really good. Definitely try this, guys. Sri Lankan spicy soya meat. Just take a piece of egg, a piece of soya meat with that sauce, and all you gotta do is take a big mouth. That's the best. I love the rice, guys. The rice is so flavorful with cardamom, cinnamon, and the clove. I also add some ghee. Add some ghee to the rice, and the rice is so flavorful. I think I'm gonna make myself another omelette. I mean, this made my day after work. To die for. Go to your kitchen, get the stuff, and cook this delicious recipe, guys. And do comment if you have any questions regarding the recipe. And this recipe is so delicious. Your family and your friends is gonna love it. And I'm gonna enjoy my meal, and I'll leave you guys. So hope you guys are having a good day. Enjoy your day. And it's all about cooking, guys. I mean, what I love about Sri Lankan cooking, it's so delicious. I think no cuisine can get close to Sri Lankan cuisine. I mean, it's so delicious, so beautiful, and you can taste every single spice when you take a big mouth. Especially I love to eat with my hands. I don't like to eat using fork and spoon. I'll always use my hands wherever I go. To restaurant, to my friends, family, wedding events, I always use my hands. That's when you get the authentic taste of Sri Lanka. And I love cooking Sri Lankan recipes, guys, so do subscribe. And I have so many recipes ready for you guys. I've got Sri Lankan vatalapan, Muslim style vatalapan coming up, and the pumpkin curry, beef curry, so many recipes. These recipes I get is from my grandmother, so I'm trying to preserve their recipes and share with you guys. So do like and subscribe and stay tuned, guys, and I'll keep you guys busy with lovely Sri Lankan cuisine. So bye for now. I'm gonna enjoy my meal. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for your support. Love you all, and have a good night. God bless. Let me off the camera.